All right, in this creator's diary entry number 5, I'm going to be talking about being obsessed with YouTube and being obsessed with business. And is it good? Is it bad? Can it work for you? Can it work against you? These are some questions I've asked myself. But also, I want you to listen in on what I'm going through. Someone that's built multiple 6 and 7 figure brands on the back of YouTube. And basically every time that I've started something new, I've obsessed about what I'm about to share with you. And that is, first off, figuring out what is the goal? Where are you now? Where do you want to go? And I would say in the next 12 to 18 months. If people are telling you right now that you're going to build something out and it's going to be 3 months and you're going to be making money, I would say that's a bunch of crap. It's probably not going to work. All right. But I get asked all the time, like, what kind of time frame can I expect? Well, Scotty and I have built this channel. Scotty, by the way, if you don't know, is my son who's helping me build this channel. And this is our new business. And it's where we have recently pivoted to where we're focusing on helping business owners like coaches, course creators, consultants, those types of people. If you are one of them, by the way, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. But basically, we started this channel just over 12 months ago, following the same framework that I've done in the past. I've got what I call the 100K roadmap that we have followed. And basically, we have a beginning and where we want to be in 12 to 18 months. And we've built this to over $100,000 in revenue. And honestly, not with the perfect audience yet. We've been still trying to figure it out. But with that, we have been obsessed with YouTube because that's the main driver of the attention piece. And then the second piece is the email list building. That has been the two main core things is that. The third would be making offers that will help that audience. And if there's only like 3 things that you took away from this little diary entry here, is focus on those 3. Like, focus on those 3, because the videos, if you're obsessing about YouTube, the videos are going to get you the attention, and it's going to build goodwill. It's going to build what we call KLT, know, like, and trust. The second piece is the email, and the email list building is going to allow you to deepen that relationship, but also allow you to deplatform to where you're not relying on the algorithm anymore. I mean, when we pivoted about 3 months ago, we took a massive drop in views, but guess what? Last month, our income was the highest. How is that? It's because we made offers and we started to dial in our offer with our audience with what offer would help them. And that's what we're obsessed about. I'm obsessed about those 3 things: YouTube, email, and basically making offers, but more importantly, making offers that help people. The content's got to help people. The emails have to help people. And the third piece is when you make that offer, you got to help those people. So, quick story. We've got a new cohort that we launched here. And again, brand new. We just opened this cohort. There's 10 business owners in it. We said we were going to do it as like a beta or as a founders, and we were going to see how it went. Well, we're only 3 weeks in, and it's called Steady Leads Accelerator, which, by the way, it follows our Steady Leads Flywheel that we teach. And we actually taught this to a private group of coaches, and we're giving that away to kind of show like the 10,000 foot view of like how everything is connected and how everything works and how you can apply it. If you want that, just comment leads down below and I'll send you access to that recording. I'll also throw in a playbook that we gave away. It's about 20-25 pages, and it goes through all of the steps to build those steady leads, because that's a huge driver in doing this. But with that being said, we started this cohort. We started teaching our methodology and started kind of helping them implement it. And we're only 3 weeks in. And we have one guy in there, Darsh is his name, and he actually started building his email list before he came in from our free content. And then when we got in there, was still getting leads and asking us for advice while we were in there. We haven't even gotten to the meat of it yet. And we give away it's like a bonus training that shows how we've launched $10,000 products in a launch without even creating anything. And we give them access to that. Well, he took that while we're going through the training, and he implemented it. And he sold 15 spots, pre-sold a group coaching program, sold 15 spots in 24 hours. Yeah, it was pretty awesome. So that's a huge win for us this week. So getting those wins means that we are genuinely helping people. So it goes back to videos, obsessing about creating videos that deliver value. This video right now, this is a video diary that I'm doing, and it's gonna take me probably 10 minutes and then another 10 to upload it. So like less than a half hour. And I'm hoping that, I don't know, 100 people see it that could help. And if it does, then job well done. And it might also, you might have downloaded the leads if you put that down below, and you'll become part of our email list, and we'll start to build a deeper relationship and all of that stuff. But what this really, the whole purpose of this, right, and being able to do videos like this is to help people. So if we obsess about really genuinely helping people and the platform that we're using. Now, did you notice I didn't say Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, LinkedIn, X, Twitter, Threads, all of those? I didn't mention any of those. You know why? Because I'm not focusing on those. I'm not obsessed about those. I'm obsessed about YouTube, email, and offers, and making them work for people and getting people results. Because if people get results, guess what? I get to spotlight those people, and then that brings in more people. So all of that to say, it's okay to obsess about what you're working on. But I would encourage you to sit down and figure out, who is it that you are helping? Who is it that you can deliver results for? And if you are a coach, a course creator, a business owner, really focus on what is that one problem. That's where I would start. And I would start figuring out what angles I could create videos around that still lead to that outcome. Just like I did right here today. Like this here is all about those 3 pieces, but the one main one is the leads. If you can get leads and it's in the right audience, pretty much can turn that into sales. All right. So if you like this style where you want to kind of follow along, well, there's more video diary entries right here, and they're going to keep coming. It's what's happening in my brain as a creator. Watch that video next. I'll see you there.